Good morning guys, that is Norwegian weather today. Nag-snow naman siya guys. It's so cold guys. I'm here in parking lot. So mag-start ang working ko is 9:30. It's almost 9:20. I have 10 minutes to go. So this is it guys. Dito yung sasakyan ko. Pinating ko ng sasakyan. Mag-round tayo dito guys. That is here guys. Marami namang snow ulit. So malamig. But later on, pag uwi ko sa bahay, talagang maraming ano natin ang snow. So, tingnan natin guys. See? Look the background. That is it. Snow guys. Yes. Mamaya iyang sasakyan ko guys, marami na yung snow. Kailangan ko yan i-move ng snow bago uwi ng bahay. Oh, that is here guys. Tingnan yung parking lot here. A lot of snow. Here's the snow here around and around the corner.